For example, we've got these. Somebody's Green Dream VL Commodore and a red one next to it. Green one would have been definitely someone's dream, unfinished project. They've started taking the green off. You can see the sun's split it, the multiple layers of paint, the God knows what hiding underneath it. Find all your dilemmas and defects are hidden under there. You never know what you're going to get. Bodywork will take you months and all cost a fortune. That's not fun. That's how come there's so many projects that get ended early. On this side, we've got dead stock red paint. Boring, but well, not necessarily, but you can see what you're going to get. No hidden nasties. Still got nasties, but they're not hiding. You can see them. You can find what's hiding under there. So when you